Hello! Hi, Rashdan! Hi, magandang umaga!
Stop tamsakin ba?
Magandang umaga, Rashdan! Can you say magandang umaga?
Magandang umaga.
Magandang umaga! Ay! Hi! Okay, Rashdan, we're gonna have your lesson for today. Oh, shake mo na your body. Paki-shake ng iyong body to have energize.
Hmm.
Come on, come on. Tige,
Uy,
understand? Shake, shake, shake. Dali, dali, dali. Shake, shake, shake. Not following kay teacher?
uy.
Shake na. Shake, shake, shake. Ah, ay, sleepy. Okay. So, gusto kong ang iyong voice is a little bit louder. Okay. And then, read and read with combining the sounds. All right? Okay? All right? Okay? Okay? Say okay. Say okay. Okay. Say okay. Ay. Okay, sige. Rushdan, we can do this. You can do this, Rushdan. Kaya mo to. Alright, basahin natin ha. Oh, okay. Put your hands on your lap. Don't put it on your mouth. No putting it on the mouth. Okay.
What's done?
Sige.
Wait,
Sige.
listen.
Let's read. Oh, anong titik ang nasa screen? Hmm, am, ma, ma, ma. Rashdan, louder. Mom. Okay. Next, ito. Here, here. Ano yan? Ano yan? Ah, wait. It's
That's
oh,
not that's right.
S-A-M only. S-A-M. Sa,
Hmm. Yeah.
ha?
There's no a the as.
Sa, some. One more.
Look at your screen. Wow.
One more. Some.
Ano
Yan si Ma'am. Look at the picture. Yan si Ma'am at si Sam. Ito naman. Oh, isa-usa muna. Isa-isa. Okay, look. Ah, hmm.
the
Ah,
picture?
oh, sa.
Yes.
Say it. Say it. Dali, dali. Some. One more. One more. Some.
Some
Okay, faster.
also must
Okay. Do it twice. Do it twice. Some, some,
asam asam
asam,
asam
asam. Okay, one more.
asam
Asam.
asam asam
Okay, asam, asam.
asam
Asam, asam.
asam.
One. Okay,
Ah, no
asam,
playing with scissor.
asam.
Give me the scissor.
You're playing na naman. One more time. Asam, asam.
Mm.
Asam.
Asam, asam.
Asam.
Asam, asam.
Asam. Asam.
Okay, tignan mabuti ang mga words, ha? Para hindi ka malito. Asam, asam. One more.
Asam.
Asam, asam.
Asam. Asam.
Okay, asam, asam.
Asam. Asam.
O, anong word ito?
Asam.
Asam.
Asam. Asam.
Okay, asam, asam.
Asam. Asam.
Okay, asam, asam.
Asam. Asam.
Okay,
Hi,
asam,
sit down.
asam.
Why are you lying?
Sit
Sit
properly.
down. Sit down.
Sit properly. Sit properly, Rashdan. Okay. Look at the word. Anong titik ang nakikita mo dito sa screen? Anong titik yan? Ang, ang, isa pa. Ang, one more.
Huh?
Paano basahin yan? Ang.
Put your leg here. Hurry up, sit properly.
Isa pa nga, tandaan ito, ha?
Say it loud.
Ang. Alright.
It's on. Why?
One more.
That's done.
First done, please.
Sure.
Okay. Ang. Isa pa.
Oh.
Ang. Ang.
Look at your scores.
Ang. Alright, basahin natin. Ang.
Say it loud.
Look, Rashdan. Ang. Ma. Ang. Ma. Okay. Isa pa. Faster. Do not put your hands on, your fingers on your mouth. You're like eating your fingers. Okay. Again. Ang. Okay, ayun. Ang mama. Oh, ang mama. Next naman. Ang. Hmm. Ang. Ang ama. Okay. Ang ama. Oh, ang ama. Ang ama ni Rashdan. Diyan, oh. Ang ama. Okay? Ang ama. Rashdan! Ay, you're laying down na naman.
Sit properly.
Sit properly. Oh, ito. Ang.
Here's the notes.
Wait. This one.
You're not looking at your screen.
Ama.
Oh, it's only
Ama.
Ang.
Ama.
Don't press any buttons before.
ang, a, ma,
Mm.
mm,
Ang
ang,
Look at your screen.
screen.
i,
Ha?
ang,
Ang
ang,
One more.
a, ma,
Hindi ama. Only two letters. Ang
a, ma, a,
Ang It's
Tama,
only
there's no
ang.
one.
am,
Okay. One more.
ang, ang,
One more. One
a,
more.
ang,
Am.
Ah.
Ha? Am. Ano ang Ito, yung tubig. Hmm. Ang. Okay. Basahin, Rashdan. Go. Sige, kaya mo yan.
sa, ma,
Sasam.
ang,
Sasam.
ang,
Sasama.
ang,
Ay. Point the words. It's M-A.
sa, ang,
Look at your screen ba? Sit properly.
Sasam.
sa, ma,
Mm.
sa, ma,
Sasam.
ma,
Okay, ayun. Sasama.
kasama,
Look. Oh,
Ma.
there's another one pa. Sasam.
ma,
Okay, sasama.
sama,
One more.
kasama, sasama,
Sasama. Sino ang sasama? Sino ang sasama? Don't forget this one. A-N-G. Sasam. Sit properly. Sit straight.
I don't remember it.
Ha?
I don't remember.
A-N-G. How do you read A-N-G?
Um, ah, ga,
Ang.
ang,
Okay, again.
sa, ang,
Faster.
sasama, ang,
Okay. Sino ang sasama? Si Rashdan ang sasama. Si Rashdan ba ang sasama? Ha? Is it Rashdan? Sasama
Yes.
Sasama ang aso. Sasama ang aso. Sasama ang aso. Okay, next.
sa, nga,
Go.
sa, nga,
Masa.
Sanga.
Okay, one more.
Masanga.
Oopsie. One more, one more. Ma,
Masanga.
masa.
Masa.
Masa. Oy, ay, 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 sit back,
Dan.
girl.
Eh,
Kaya mo yan. Kaya mo yan, Rishdan. Just be patient in reading and have the courage to read it. You can do it. Look,
Masa.
you can do it. Masa. Hmm.
Masa.
Stop. Masa
Masang.
ang asa ang. Masa ang. One more.
Masang. Ang.
Hmm. Okay, masa ang. Minamasa ang. Ano ang minamasa? You look so tired. Did you do a lot of work? That's why you're tired? Here naman.
Ma.
One more?
Masa. Ma. Masang. Masa. Ma.
Masama. Good job. Faster.
Masama.
Okay, masama. Oy, ay, 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 ay. Sit down, sit down, sit down, sit down, sit down. Masama. What's this word? Don't forget the ing. Sige nga, sabihin mo nga ng maraming beses. Ang,
Amoy masama.
Ha?
Ano?
One more?
It is the sound mang.
Masama ang. One more time nga.
Sama.
Sa. One more. Masama ang. One more time.
Sama. Ang masama.
Okay, sino ang masama? Oh. Hala, si Rashdan ba yan? Is that you in the picture?
What?
Is this you in the picture?
No,
It looks like you. You
dog,
have this.
but no, dog. I don't have pants. I have diaper.
Ayaw tayo.
Hindi siya diaper na.
Okay, so masama. Bakit masama ang bata Rashdan? Why is he bad? Why?
Little
Why is he sad? Why is he bad?
the-
Because
the kid is what?
Bad,
Why not?
why? Why is he bad?
bad boy.
Bad boy. Because look at
Bad boy.
he is bringing a stick and then he's gonna hurt the dog and he also wrote in the
Hmm.
that's bad. Masama. Okay? Masama.
Masama.
Masama. Okay. Masama, Rashdan. Masama ba, Rashdan? Is it
Masama.
masama? Hmm. Okay. Ito naman.
A, sa, a, ma,
Oy, oy, oy. That's right already.
as,
Asa. The first one is correct already. Asa.
asang, asang, ma,
Oy,
as,
A and G. Don't forget A and G.
asang,
Hmm. Asam.
asang,
Asam, asam.
Asam.
Ang.
Ang.
Okay, one more
Ang.
time.
Asam. Ang.
Asam.
Asam.
Ah, ano daw? One more
Asam.
time. Asam, asam.
Asam.
Ang.
Ang.
Asam, asam, ang. Sino ang asam na asam? Asam, asam, ang. Oh.
Asam.
Wow! Anong gusto ng mga bata there? Anong gusto nila? Asam nila ang, what do they want?
1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7,
Ano counting ba?
7.
7. How about you? What do you want, Barushdan? What do you want?
No, I don't want.
Don't want anything? Okay. Asam, asam, ang. Alright. Sige, more reading pa tayo. Paano natin basahin ito? S and A. How do you read that na?
Sa,
It's only S and A. Hindi sa a. Hindi sa a. Sa.
Asa?
sarang,
Sa.
Water
One more
spray?
sa,
sa. Okay, basahin natin. Oy, 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 oy. S-A, S-A.
sa,
Sa.
sa, am, a, ma, a,
Okay, fast. Sa, ama, ang. One more.
ma, ang,
Sa, ama.
sa, amang, ang, asamang,
Oh,
Sama-sama ka dyan.
ang. Sa, ama, ang. Bag.
sa, ama, sa,
Sa, ama. Ang.
sa, ama, sa, ama, sa,
Ang.
ama,
Oh, say it properly.
Oh, sit properly.
Say it
Stand.
properly. Crush
Sit. You're almost done. You're almost done.
Don't worry. Sit dali. Sit properly. Sit properly. Sit properly. Sit properly na. Sige na, Rashdan. Sit properly. Okay. Sa. Ano yan? Sa, ama, ang. One more?
sa, ama,
Ba kasi?
sa, ama,
Ang. Okay. Sa, ama, ang. Oh, sa ama ang. Kanino ang? Ba. Sa ama ang ba. Oh, look, oh. Is that Rashdan over there? Is that you? Sit properly, Rashdan. Almost na. Almost na po. Malapit na tayong matapos. Sige na, sit properly. Sit properly, Rashdan. 1, 2, 3. Dali, Rashdan. Sit properly. Rashdan. We will not end if you will not sit properly. Oh, no more bye-bye. Sit properly. Rashdan. Uy. Rashdan, sit properly. Please. Okay. Sige, go. Read it.
Pa.
Sa parke.
Sa. Sa.
Sa
A.
parke.
A. A. A.
Sa Rush doon. Sige na, please. Sa
Aso. Sasado.
oh, hindi sasadog. Sasam. Gosh, that.
Sasa.
Sasam.
Sasado.
Hindi dog. Sasama. One more.
Sasama. Sasama.
Sasama.
Sasama.
Sino ang sasama?
Sasama.
Okay, sasama
Sasama.
ang... Okay, Gosh, Dan. Sasama ang. One more time nga.
Sama. Sasama.
Ang. Sasama ang. One more.
Sasama. Ang.
Sino ang sasama? Ang aso. Sino ang sasama? Si Rushdan ang sasama. Si Rushdan ba ang sasama? Okay.
No.
Okay, I'll see you tomorrow, okay? Bye-bye,
Okay.
Rushdan.
Bye-bye.